Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share some of the latest job openings in Bangalore location. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job vacancy for assistant cinematographer position from Kalia Productions located in Bangalore, Karnataka. They are going to offer a salary for this position is 10,000 rupees per month. Coming to responsibilities and duties, video editing and video making are the responsibilities, and video making and editing knowledge is required, assisting your fellow mated. So these are the skills and qualification details for a candidate for this position, and interested candidates you can approach them with the given phone number for detailed information, that is 8884021000. Next, there is a job vacancy for telecaller executive position from Skynet Automations located in Ulsur, Bangalore, Karnataka. So they are hiring for two positions actually. First one for telecalling and second one for accounts. Coming to roles and responsibilities, calling all dealers and taking note of the requirements and orders, generate leads from given database and pass on the same to sales team, dispatch and inventory management, follow up with clients and fix appointments for the sales team to visit, payment follow-ups, etc., weekly review on stocks and inventory, updating dealers and system integrators on new products and solution on monthly basis, invoicing and updating the accounts day-to-day basis. So you please check with the roles and responsibilities required for this position, and interested candidates for further details you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 8660191285. Next, there are some openings from Cognizant. They are hiring for the position of a data process executive located in Bangalore, Karnataka. For this, the education qualification will be BE or BTech or MCA or high school graduate or above, as may be applicable to applicable for this position. And you please check with the responsibilities provided here for this position. Interested candidates for detailed information you can visit this website link provided here. Next, Accenture is hiring for the position of new associate investment banking position located in Bangalore, Karnataka. So for this 0 to 1 year of experience is needed, and qualification will be BBA or MCOM or Master of Business Administration or BBM or PGDBM. So skills required is investment banking, APTP, post-trade settlements. Interested candidates, you please check with the details provided here, and for detailed information you can visit this website provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for new associate procure to pay processing from Accenture located in Bangalore, Karnataka. For this, the education qualification will be BCom, and 0 to 1 year of experience is needed. Skills required: procure to pay processing, accounts payable processing. So these are the skills required for this position. You please check with the information provided here, and for further details, and you can visit this website link provided here for more detailed information. Next, there is a job vacancy for customer support executive position from DigiQuint Solutions Private Limited located in Bangalore, Karnataka. They are going to offer a salary for this position is 18,000 rupees per month. Freshers can also apply for this position. Hindi and English skills are mandatory, and good convincing skills are needed and should be presentable. You please check with the skills needed for this position. Interested candidates for detailed information you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 6363020327. Next, there is a job vacancy for web chat support or UK Shift. It's a non-voice. It is from Skilled Bus Solution located in Bangalore, Karnataka. 1 to 5 years of experience is needed for this position. And for detailed information about this position, you please check with the responsibilities, and as well as you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9513301701. Next, Accenture is hiring for the position of a new associate order to cash processing located in Bangalore, Karnataka. For this, the qualification will be any graduation. 0 to 1 year of experience is needed. Order to cash processing, collections operations are the skills required for this position. Interested candidates, for detailed information you can visit in this website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for new associate workforce services from Accenture, and for this any graduates can apply for this position. 0 to 1 year of experience is needed, and workforce services, workforce management, these are the skills required for this position. Please go through it once. Interested candidates, for detailed information you can click on the website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for distributor services executive position from Blue Life Marketing Private Limited located in Bangalore, Karnataka. They are offering a salary range between minimum 15,000 to maximum 18,000 rupees per month. Interested candidates, you please check with the responsibilities and as well as the skills needed for this position. And for detailed information you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 08046661099. Next, there is a job vacancy for process associate purchase to pay. It is from Siemens Technology and Services Private Limited located in Bangalore, Karnataka. For this job position, the candidate should be a graduate and 0 to 1 years of experience is needed in accounts payable, and should be accurate in invoice posting, and should be flexible working for night shift or early morning shift. The candidate can be able to work for night shift and as well as early morning shift. So you please check with the responsibilities and with the company description provided here. And interested candidates, you can visit this website link provided here and for detailed information. Next, there is a job vacancy for operations and sales executive position from Reshamandi located in Bangalore, Karnataka. They are going to offer a salary range between 35,000 to 42,000 rupees per month, and they are looking for an experienced candidate and who are take care of their operations, and the candidate should have a bike and should be willing to travel, speak English, Kannada and Hindi languages, and the candidate from sales or procurement background will be an added advantage for this position. So you please check with the information provided here. For further details you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9632820977. Next, there is a job role for junior project coordinator position from Nimhans located in Bangalore, Karnataka. They are going to offer a salary for this position is 25,000 rupees per month. Only one vacancy is available. 1 to 3 years of experience is needed. Education will be BBA. Last date to apply for this position is 19th February 2021 at 10:30 am. So you please check with the information provided here, and for further details you can visit this website link provided here for detailed information. Next, there are some job vacancies from Weave Technologies. They are hiring for the position of inside sales executive located in Bangalore, Karnataka. They are offering a salary range between 20,000 to 25,000 rupees per month. Interested candidates, please check with the details provided here, and for further details you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 7022888620. HDFC Bank is hiring for the position of a prime banking supervisor located in Bangalore, Karnataka. So interested candidates, you please check with the job description and with the responsibilities provided here for this position, and also for detailed information you can check in this website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for administrative assistant position from Olke Tech located in Bangalore, Karnataka. Interested candidates, you please check with the responsibilities and the duties provided here for this position, and you can send your resumes to the provided email ID. Next, there is a job vacancy for admissions executive and admissions counselor position from New Horizon College of Engineering located in Bangalore, Karnataka. They are offering a salary for this position is 20,000 rupees per month. You please check with the job description. And coming to education and experience details, any graduation with minimum 1 year of experience is needed. Skills will be female candidates with verbal and written communication skills, pleasing personality, go-getter attitude. So interested candidates for this position, you can contact with the given phone number for detailed information. The number is 8066297777. Next, there are some job vacancies available from Trigent Software Limited. It is located in Bangalore. They are hiring for the positions of core R&D for these positions, and the candidate must be exceptionally good with the OPS fundamental concepts and very strong in coding languages, especially coding skills, and the candidate should have at least minimum 70% throughout their academics, and ready to relocate to BLR for joining and training is must. Salary for 6 months as a trainee software, they are going to provide a salary for 6 months is 25,000 rupees. After conversion, you will be get 5.5 lakhs per annum. So for this the qualification will be BE or BTech or BSc or MSc or MCA or MTech in CS, IT or IS. So interested candidates for detailed information, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 6363033431, or else you can send your resumes to the provided email ID. Next, there is a job vacancy for customer operations executive position for male candidates. It is from rent to stays located in Bangalore, Karnataka. They are offering a salary range between 10,000 to 14,000 rupees per month. For this, the skills required will be people with good communication, and freshers can also apply. Preference for candidates located surroundings in Indiranagar. Good in English, Kannada are preferred. So you please check with the job description and as well as the skills required for this position. Interested candidates, you can contact with the given phone number for detailed information, that is 9739444437. Next, there is a job vacancy for sales and marketing executive positions from Skynet Automations located in Ulsur, Bangalore location, Karnataka. They are offering a salary range between 30,000 to 40,000 rupees per month. Interested candidates, please check with the information provided here, and for detailed information you can contact with the given phone number, that is 8660191285. Hope this video will help you a lot for finding a job. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.